Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you on how to use ClickUp Sprints. So let's begin. ClickUp Sprints is something that allows user to create and organize folders so that they can provide a structured approach to project management. So if you guys are new to ClickUp, just visit their website app.clickup.com. And you can sign up for free only by using your email address. First, this is how your profile is gonna look like once you're logged in. You see that I have some spaces here that I already added. And then first is go to this part right here and look for the settings. Click on this one. And once you're on this page, just look for spaces. Okay, click on that. As you see, we have here some information about my two spaces. I have here my January task, space A, the owner whom I'm sharing this with, the statuses, and the ClickUps. So here you see that both sprints for my two workspaces is already activated, but still I'm going to show you on how to do that. So for our January task, let us click on sprints. Right here, you can go ahead and click on default settings. And it's gonna lead you to a different page wherein you would see the default settings of the sprint, and it's gonna show up like this one. It's gonna give you a pop-up screen that has default settings for sprint folders. So it's going to ask you the sprint duration. For the sprint duration, this is how many weeks you want to finish the task. So for example, I just want it to be finished in a week, and you can select here a date format. You can even select on the day wherein the sprint will start. So let's say I want it Monday, just a basic one. And the non-working days, it's up to you to modify. So the other options here, I'm just gonna leave it as it is. So let's click on save. So once you save on that and you go back to your profile, let us go back to our workspace. Okay, you see, if you go to your January task, for example, and click on the plus button, you would see that you have an option to select the sprint folder. So it has been added. You can just click on it. And right here, it's gonna ask you to review the things that you basically saved earlier. So once you're okay and you're all set with that, just click on save. Let me go back. Okay, you see I actually doubled how I added a sprint folder. So let me go ahead and check sprint folder 1. And make sure that you're always under the list view so that it will be easier for you to see. If you are right here and you're gonna add a new sprint, just click on the 3 dots, click on create new, and you would see the sprint logo, the one that has an arrow. So click on it. And this is the exciting part wherein you select the dates for your first sprint. So I'll start with the 12/2 to 18/2. And then it's gonna ask you for how many sprints you want to create. The maximum is 50, so I wanted 10 sprints. and just click on create sprints and just wait for it to load. Okay, so you see I have here under the sprint folder 1, I have here 10 sprints wherein I can add everything or every task that I need, and this is all gonna finish, or that's a must. This is all gonna finish in a week or 2 weeks, whichever you selected on the default setting of the sprint. So that's actually it. If you have some question, you can you can have here a search. You can visit the website as well for more information. And if you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below and subscribe because it helped me reach more people. See you soon.